Hey, Travels with Dada here, and it is the 5th of August. It's getting a late start this morning. Had a couple of Zoom meetings this morning. It's 11:30 a.m. and this is my second day of reading the comments. I got a positive response to it. Got like 500 views, so let's go with it because I have fun with it. So, with no further ado, here we go. To the first comment video. Alpha Pup 3281 says, I've watched Rusty daily for years. He never edits and he's thick skinned. You will need a Matilda equivalent. He doesn't dwell on negative comments. And I had to ask my friends here who's been knows this channel very well. Not this channel, but Rusty's channel. I said, what's Matilda? And they laughed and they said, it's a trash can that he uses for negative comments. And he makes kind of production out of it. But I responded and said, my negative comments never make it to posting. I have filters, so if there's negativity in it, it flags the comment, and I go through a list of them to see what I want to do with them. Sometimes it's wrong and it's not a negative comment, so I just approve it. Otherwise, I delete it, and if it's just really just nasty, I do the hide the person from the channel. And I understand what that does is they can continue to look at the channel and look at the comments, and they can continue to make their comments, but no one will see those comments other than them. I won't see them, you won't see them. So that's how that works. So the next one, let's see, is on a short from Tom Journey's Adventures. Tom and Journey. Journey's his dog. It was a little short I did about a dog that got lost in the ocean, and the owners gave up and were devastated. And a tourist ship found the dog swimming 1.5 miles from shore, rescued him, and it got reunited. Great story. Next one was on the comment video. That's John Adams 7323. Rusty does not spend editing, so it saves a lot of time. He puts out several videos a day. Good luck. Thank you. I do a little bit of editing. I do as little as possible usually. Renee RO60E. I love your attitude about positive experiences. Keep focusing on that. I intend to. I want this to be just a positive, uplifting place. Empathy and kindness are number one, and that's why I love doing this channel so much. This one, this was on the same video. This is we have a 2018 Ford F-150 3.5 10-speed, etc. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but he said, I think ours is a half-ton ? So they have the same truck as me. And I think I said quarter-ton on the video. Typical me misspeaking like that. Like an F-150 is a half-ton, of course. A 250 is I believe is a 3/4 ton. And a 250 is 3/4 ton. And a 350 and 450 are 1 ton. Tell me if I'm wrong in the comments. But I'm sure that my F-150 is a half-ton. Let's see. Tina Marquez 7298 says, hi Rob, I think you should have a meetup as well. I'm getting my travel trailer finished and look forward to checking out Quartzsite. Just getting started. I love my travel trailer too. I really enjoy your channel. Thank you, Tina. I was posed the question, should I have a meetup? People suggested it last year. I thought it was too small. I think maybe I'm large enough this year in Quartzsite, so maybe, if a half a dozen people showed up, I'd be pretty impressed. But someone suggested, why don't you have it at the Quartzsite Dog Park? And I thought, what a great idea. I take Dottie there. There's a picnic bench. There's plenty of room. People can casually come and go. So that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to pick a nice weather day and put out that I'm going to have a meetup there, probably mid-morning someday. And I think that'd be a lot of fun. good, good ideas. Good ideas. Now, every once in a while I get comments on older videos. I do have like 1,200 videos out there, so they go back 2 years. And this one was titled "A Day in Pahrump Exploring Art Bell's Memorial." One of my favorite videos, Art Bell was had an AM radio program that was on at night, and I enjoyed him for years and years. He says, "This is Linda Kelly, 5026. Thank you for the Art Bell tribute. I miss him. It was wonderful to have something to listen to in the evenings as a night owl. I do enjoy most of the weekend hosts on current Coast to Coast." That's the name of the program, Coast to Coast AM. "I prefer AM radio. His audiobook, The Art of Talk Radio, he narrates his life story. Wonderful voice." I agree. I totally agree. Let's see. On Mid-Afternoon Walk with Dottie, updates, Art Bell tribute, and more. Again, from Linda Kelly. "I miss Art Bell so much. His old shows are soothing. I'll look forward to your video on art." So that was before she saw that video, I guess. Let's see. That's pretty much it for today. Again, I enjoy reading the comments, and I read them all for sure. And this is a nice way to be able to respond to some of them, like in a personal way. So I'm pretty excited about this. Anyway, so 6-7 minutes. We're at 7 minutes. That seems about right. Thanks for watching my video. Now, the other video I'm going to release later today, I'm about to produce it, is about the origin of the name of my channel, Travels with Dottie, where that came from, who that came from. That's my father, and a little bit about who my dad was, and a couple, I think, pretty remarkable things about my father. I hope you watch that video, and that'll be later today. Take care. Grateful for you. Thank you.